welcome you back to the top half of the 8th inning with Toledo leading 9-6 here at McKee Field at Hayden Park, home of the Miami Redhawks in Oxford, Ohio. It'll be 9-1-2. Brandon Luchik, Caden Konzak, and Charlie Chauvin to face Carson Byers. Byers fires in a first pitch fastball down the middle. It's 0-1. For Carson Byers, this is his third inning of work. He's thrown 24 pitches, 3 hits, 1 earned run. He's looked effective. Faced 9 batters as well. Back-to-back strikes down the middle, and Brandon Luchik is behind 0-2. Redhawks trailing the Rockets 9-6 in the 8th. The 0-2 pitch, a little chopper over to second. Buzzio throws to Applewick to first in time, a 4-3 putout for the first out here in the 8th.
Right fielder, number 7, Caden Konzak.
So 3 pitches, and that's the first out. Brandon Luchik retired. With that, the lineup flips over for the 5th time today. Caden Konzak due up. He is 1 for 4, had himself a solo shot, home run back in the 3rd. First pitch he sees, he grounds it on the left side past a gap between Baker and Buzzio. So that'll be a 1-out single for Caden Konzak, who gets another hit, and he keeps this Toledo train rolling in the 8th. For Toledo, 2 runs in the 1st, 3 runs in the 3rd, 3 runs in the 5th, and 1 run in the 7th. They've really spaced out their runs and trying to steal this final game of a 3-game set between the Redhawks and the Rockets. Charlie Chauvin takes the first pitch strike on the off speed, 78 miles an hour down the middle. Charlie Chauvin today, 1 for 4, had himself a double in the 3rd. Takes another strike, 86 mile an hour fastball, and Chauvin is quickly behind on Carson Byers, 0-2. Byers, the lefty, winds in, delivers home, and Chauvin pops this one up, skies it on the right side into foul ground. Applewick under it to make the catch, calling everybody off. And there are 2 away here in the 8th. So 2 outs and a runner at first. That'll bring up Troy Sudbrick to the altar for Toledo. Sudbrick is 1 for 4, also a double. Got that one back in the 1st. A flyout, a strikeout, and a groundout for Sudbrick, the 3-hitter for the Rockets. Runner going, the Redhawks have him in a pickle. From Applewick to Buzzio, they gun down Caden Konzak, who ran early. He is thrown out to end the Toledo threat in the 8th. And that'll end the Toledo half of the 8th inning in a positive note for the Redhawks. They keep him quiet. Carson Byers does his job, and we will head to the home half of the 8th inning with the Redhawks having some catch-up to do if they want to sweep the series between the Redhawks and the Rockets. You're listening to Miami Baseball on Red Hawk Radio. It's Toledo 9, Miami 6.
To their